What's up, peep? It's cooking around. Yeah. So, so today, product review is going to be Chef Cutboard Barbecue Chicken Coating Mix. Yes, Dollar Tree shit. I mean, it's stuff. My bad. So let's see what's in this box. Oh, again, they don't give you. Oh, wait a minute. What's this? What's this? Wow, they actually gave us a shaker bag. They gave us two. I'm shocked. And they gave us two packages, which probably going to be enough for one bag. So let's look at the specs on this. So it's 30 calories. There's 16 servings in this. No trans, no saturated fats, no cholesterol. Sodium is 280 milligrams, which is 12% of your daily intake. Total carbs is 6 grams, which is 2%. No dietary fibers. Wait a minute. Total sugars is 3, including 3 grams added. 0 proteins. So basically, this has nothing of any value to you. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take one egg, which I got to go get a for, so we can use egg as a dipper. We could use water, but egg tends to work so much better when it bonds and stuff. So let me come right back. Okay, that's not a whole lot of seasoning. So I can see this is not going to make a whole lot of pieces of chicken. So let's go ahead and do the standard. Take a little chicken, dip it in a little egg. Go into a bag. Now, like I said, you don't have to use eggs. I just tend to like to use eggs because eggs tend to be a little on the sticky side, and things tend to bond a whole lot better onto the product in question. But if you have egg allergies or whatever, you're just trying to stay away from chickens for whatever reason, dietary or not. You can use water. Doesn't work as good, but it works. Let's see here. Let's get down. Show you where I'm dipping this egg in. Just digging this chicken in. What I'm doing. Throw it in the bag. Do a shaky poo. I'm guessing these two bags may make 6 pieces of chicken if you can make that many. I don't have high hopes. Let's see. Barely enough. So that's 4 pieces. I don't think I have enough sauce in here to make a third. Hold on. Let's see here. Let's see what we can do. Not a lot of seasoning left. Let's see here. Well, kind of, sort of. Okay, so I'm gonna have to make another bag of this. So this one is definitely not fully covered. The other three, the other four are. I think I had another 3 pieces of chicken. So let me go ahead and open up another bag of this mix, and I'll be right back. So, go to the other bag. We gonna use the other bag. Cool. So we're gonna stick this one back in because this is definitely not fully covered. Woo. You know, the seasoning actually smells a little bit like barbecue, believe it or not. But I've been surprised with some of these dollar store products, so I guess we're going to find out how good this is going to turn out. And this is about as all as I can put in this one plate, in this one tray. So, what they do tell us to do with it. So we need to do blah 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 25 minutes 100. Okay, so since this is bone-in chicken, it's going to take us 45 minutes to cook it at 400 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cooking. And what I might do is I might take 2 pieces and air fry them and see if there's any noticeable difference between the two. So I have 2 pieces left. I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and batter these other 2, put them in the air fryer. I'm going ahead and get these cooking for 45 minutes, and I shall return. Okay, take these last 2 pieces, and we're going to air fry these jokers just to see if there's any difference. Because sometimes when you air fry, it gives it a more crispier taste because the way the whole cooking process is done. So I'm just curious. All right. All right, let's get this cooking. Okay. So this is the Dollar Tree barbecue seasoning. This is baked. This is air fried. So let's go ahead and go with the bake on the side. Now we bake this according to the instructions, which is 45 minutes. Let me go ahead and get it. That's a bone I just hit. Okay. It's not what I expected. In the sense of barbecue flavor, but it does have that mild flavor of barbecue sauce on the back end. So it's not completely useless. But if I had to compare that with the worst barbecue sauce I could find, it would not be able to compare. So let's try the air fried version of it. Okay. for some reason, the air fried version tastes so much better. It's again, this is another scenario where the air fryer tends to beat the baked version. There is some seasoning that, like the baked version here, tastes very differently. I'm trying to know about let this off. If I had to prefer either one, the air fryer is slightly better than the oven baked, but they're really close when it comes to taste comparison. It does have a mild barbecue flavor to it, without the barbecue seasoning, which you can take that either which way. But would I recommend this for $1.25? I give it a 6. It's shockingly better than I thought it was going to be. Well, I maybe go as high as 6.5, but it's not the same flavor that you would expect if you ate barbecue chicken. But it has a back end of it of barbecue. So, $1.25. If you two-parent home, you want to make something quick. Would the kids not eat that? Yeah, they'll probably eat it because kids eat everything. So, so 6.5 on it for $1.25. I guess that's good. Surprisingly, for $1.25, it came with 2 bags and 2 bags of seasoning. Not enough seasoning though. But what do you really expect out of $1.25? So, with that goes, go for it. Give it a shot. Let me know how it is. Go to your local Dollar Tree. Give it a shot. Buy it. Let me know what you think of it. Just in case my taste buds are off. Post in the chat how you thought it came out for you. Like I said, I did both versions, air fried and baked. Let me know. Post in the chat. I'll talk to you soon. Take care of yourself.